Will AI replace civil engineers, architects and interior designers? Will our job disappear? It's a real fear, and honestly, AI is growing fast. It can create plan renders and even full designs in just a minute. But here is the truth. AI can never replace civil engineers, architects or designers because AI doesn't understand creativity, logic or real life construction needs that we do. If we learn how to use AI smartly, it can make our work much faster and more efficient. That's the real power of AI. Hello everyone, welcome back to 4-Dimension Infotech, and this is Manjula Kondekar. In this video, I am going to tell you the implementation of AI in the design field. From a simple 2D plan into realistic 3D render using tools like Gemini AI and Nano Banana. We created a realistic HD exterior render and a complete 2D plan converted into 3D animation and interior furniture alignment. We also shared how to write the perfect prompt to get these results. So in this video, you will learn what prompt we used and how the AI responded and what the final results look like. So don't be afraid of AI, instead learn it to work smarter, faster and better. At 4-Dimension Infotech, we help students and professionals learn not just design software but also how to integrate modern tools like AI into their workflow. We train you in AutoCAD for 2D drafting and design, Revit for architectural workflow, SketchUp for 3D modeling and visualization, 3ds Max, STAAD Pro, ETAB and much more. Our goal is to make you industry ready with the right technical knowledge and modern skills. So remember, AI is not your competition, it's your advantage. Use it wisely and it can turn your ideas into reality faster than ever before. If you want to upgrade your skills and learn how to work with both software and AI tools, join 4-Dimension Infotech today. Contact us and visit our website for more details. And before you go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos on design, software and AI in engineering and architecture. Let's start. Here you can see I downloaded one model. And if you want to practice the same thing, you can just go with the same link which is in the description. And I am just opening this model in my SketchUp. Yes. First you decide what you want to do. So the 3D model is ready. And then I am just clicking on the view option. So if I want to convert 3D image, click on the front view and make sure that camera should be parallel. Then I am just deleting these unwanted trees or plants because I want to add those same thing by using the AI option. To select all the trees, I just go with the instant option. Go to the file and export as a 2D image. Even you can export this as a DWG and you can open it in your AutoCAD, so that your 3D view and 2D views are ready. And I am just clicking on the top view. So I am getting shadow option. To off this, I am going with default tray, shadow. Make sure that shadow should be off. And then you can click on the export option, 2D graphics, and go to the particular location and save it into a JPG. Before that, your camera should be parallel or perspective depending on the requirement. Like this way, you can just go on continue and export the required views. Whatever the views you want to convert, these are the non-rendered images. These views I want to convert into a high quality output by using the AI. So here I am using one of the trending AI, that is Nano Banana. For that, go to Google and type Google AI Studio and make sure that you log in with your Gmail ID. So this is mainly depending on the upload image and you have to give the prompt. Then there is a plus sign to upload your image and here we have to give the prompt. So whatever the prompt I am giving, that you have to give the same thing or you just add somewhat different depending on the requirement. Here I am just give me a realistic high quality rendered, and make sure that the spelling should be right. And if you are giving the wrong spellings, then you don't get the high quality or exact output what you want. So intentionally I am just telling this, showing the same thing. Within a fraction of a second, you get the output. Hardly taken 13 seconds. Here you can see how this non-rendered image converted into HD, and click on the download option. So if you want to add more features to this, then I'm just adding one more prompt, that is add more landscape and light effect. Simply you just click on the run option. If you want the another image, then you can go with the plus sign and upload the image, or else you can continue with the older image, whatever you uploaded. Click on the run. Within the fraction of second, the image is ready. Yes. So somewhat we get a unique kind of with landscape effect. You can download. Like this way you can go on upload the required images, and you can convert that non-rendered images into high quality rendered images within a fraction of second. So here you can see I uploaded 2D image, rendered this with realistic high quality, render this with realistic high quality 2D floor plan, or you can say architectural floor plan. Click on run. Here you can see how the AI has added the landscape also, and the image is ready with high quality. And now I am just trying with the interior room, kitchen room view. This is not having any utensils, kitchenwares and all. I just want to add kitchenware. You have to give the prompt according to your requirement, or how you want to develop your image. Either it may be exterior or interior. I'm just adding the prompts like add a kitchenware with utensils and cooking floor with smoke or steam slowly rising without disturbing the original image, because I don't want to change any overall furniture placement. By keeping this image as it is, I'm just adding some kitchenwares. Okay, make sure that the spelling should be right and hit on run. See guys, this is how your interior image has converted into furniture layout. Isn't it easy? So within a fraction of second, without doing remodeling, re-rendering, so we can convert our model interior space instantly into a meaningful, well-placed furniture layout like this. Here you can see I uploaded 2D image, and this 2D image I want to convert it into 3D. For that also I have to give a particular prompt. To upload, you can just click on the plus sign and upload the image and give the prompt. The prompt may vary depending on the requirement. It is not fixed. You have to give the simple and understanding prompt to it. That I am giving here, create a simple animation started from the floor layout to furniture layout, or you can say 2D to 3D animation, from 2D floor plan into 3D. Yes, and then hit on run option. Yeah, within 18 to 20 seconds your output is ready. But this Nano AI is telling that I am sorry, I can't create a video animation. This is specially for this 2D. So now I am just going with Gemini AI. Okay, and uploading the same image and giving the same prompt. Make sure that you click on the video option in the Gemini and then do the same thing. So whenever you are working with AI, so you should be ready with your rough images, and those images are somewhat clear and high quality, and you have to give the particular prompt. So how you want to convert your images, either from the image to animation, image to video, image to image, like that. Yes, this is, you can see how our 2D floor layout has converted into 3D animation, and you can just click on the download option